striped background, and then we have this little cute one here. She's holding her black cat that's sitting on the moon with these stars in the background. I did mat those with the copper foil again, but this is just a super fun, simple project, and it would be great to put some candies or goodies for a crafty friend to send to them. So I just think it is adorable, and I love her paper. So make sure that you are watching and commenting on Rosa and Robyn's videos as well. Make sure to leave a comment daily. All of the rules are in the description box below, so make sure to check those out, and I have links to their channels as well. So stay tuned for the tutorial. So I'm putting this piece of white paper down so you can see what I'm working on, since this is black. And I'm going to separate the strips that I've cut out in the orange foil paper. Some of them are rounded. There's 5 of each, 5 rounded ones and 5 that are like blunt end. And they go on the spine of our book. And I'm got the outside of our book, which will be the front and back cover, and our spine. And there are score lines. I hope you can see them right here. And we're just going to fold these over. And this will be the outside. I am going to be using my art glitter glue, and we're going to glue the strips in between the score lines. There are 6 score marks in 5 spaces, and in each space I'm going to glue a strip on the outside, and the rounded ones go on the outside. So I'm going to glue these down next. Okay, so now we're going to do the inside strips. We're going to glue them down the same. Now I'm going to bring in our inside cover pieces, and the one that has the notches goes on the left. One that has the 4 complete triangles goes on the right. Just lining those up, and they'll go inside of our cover. That looks good. So now we're going to turn it over and make sure I have it the right way. Yes, this will be the front. So the right side will be the front, and this will be the back. And I'm going to put my foil piece on first. Just centering this. Glue this on the back. And this is the decorative piece that goes on the back. So I'm just going to put some glue and put it in the center. So there's that. And now we can do the front cover. So I'm just going to lay that to the side while we put the box or part together that forms the book. So we have one of the box pieces that forms the book pages, and what we're going to do is put glue on all 4 of these tabs, and I'm just going to fold it up and join it where it lines up, and I'm going to do that to the other 3 corners as well. Now that we have our tabs glued down, we're just going to put glue on these 4 pieces. Put glue on these 4 pieces, and then they'll fold over and we'll press them down. So there's the first part of the box, the bottom of the box, and this will be the top, and we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to put glue on the 4 tabs here, here, and the 2 small ones, and glue them together. We are going to put glue on the flaps, and there is a little flap here. So we want to make sure we put glue on this little one. And we'll just fold these over. So now we have our box pieces, and what we're going to do is glue this, and we're going to line it up in the triangles that are cut out in the paper. So the bottom of the box will go here. Just go ahead and put some glue. And just line the corners up with the corners of the triangles. I'm not going to push it down yet. I want to glue the lid on and make sure the 3 full sides go to the outside of the box. So that looks okay. Just making sure I have everything lined up properly. Line this up with the corner of the triangles, like so. Okay, and now I'm just going to close it and make sure it does close nicely, and it does. Looks really good. So I'm just going to open it back up, and I'm going to take my bone folder and really smooth the glue out. Make sure there's no air bubbles, that it has a tight seal. And do the same over here. So that's all there is to our Witch's Spellbook. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. Make sure to come back tomorrow for our final day. Thanks for watching, and have a spectacular day.